Having a screen door on your RV is really nice because it allows you to let the air blow in and out of your RV. What happens when a part of it breaks? Well, that is where this piece comes into play. Hi, I'm Lindsay here from RecPro, and this is our RV screen slide. The product code for this is RP-1667. These come in both white as well as black. I'm gonna go ahead and put the dimensions of this up here on the screen for you guys. So like I said, this is a replaceable part for the existing slide on your screen door. It allows you to access your entry door handle when the door is closed, but it keeps the critters and bugs out when you just have your screen door closed with it. It is made out of a heavy duty plastic material and it is fairly easy to install. You take your old one off and then you just snap this one onto the track, and then there is an end piece that you screw in to the side of the door so it keeps it from just sliding off willy-nilly. It is both weather resistant as well as UV resistant, so it shouldn't crack or weather from the sun. This is a very durable piece, so if you need a replacement piece, go ahead and check out the link down in the description. And while you're down there, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.